Hi there. Welcome to lesson 7, which is about animating your name. In this lesson, we will use the code blocks motion, sound, event, control, and looks. Let's start with a new project. First, you delete the sprite which comes by default. Then we click and choose a sprite. There are a lot of letters which have already been added in the database of sprites, and you can choose the alphabets you want to add. You can space the letters the way you want, and as you see, the X and Y axis of these letters changes. It's important to note them because when you will be animating, you will maybe move them vertically or horizontally, so you need to observe your X and Y coordinates. Let's save the project by giving it a name and click on Save Now. Now I tap on block A. I go to the events. When green flag clicked, I drag that. Then I go to control. I would like to give a forever loop. Then I go to motion. I might like to turn it 15 degrees. I might like to give it some color change also, which is in the looks code block. So change color I choose, and I might give it a slight lesser effect. And let's see what happens to our alphabet A. Isn't that a cool animation? Now let's do different types of animations for each code blocks. Now I've added code for all the blocks A, R, I, N. Now let's see how the animation has been made. So the A and N are turning 15 degrees in the opposite directions. R is gliding and I is like a blink which is happening. Let me show you the code for all of them now. For A, we've given a turn 15 degrees and changed the color effect by 3. For R, we've given change the color effect by 10 and we've given a glide motion. If you see the glide motion, check the coordinates X and Y, and keeping the X coordinate same, it is going up and down by 40 points. So that's how the gliding vertically happens. Let's look at the code block for I. For I, the change of size has been made, and then wait for a second and decrease the size again. So it's like a blink which happens on alphabet I. For the block N, it's a turn left to 15 degrees and the change of color effect has been given. You can explore lots and lots in this. Up to your choice, keep changing, keep trying new things and see what looks best for you. Let's look at this animation one more time. There you go. Now let's choose a backdrop for the animation. Let's choose the stars. And now let's add a sound. Tap on the sound and tap on choose sound from here. There are many sounds which have been given out here. You can choose the one which you like to add. I'm choosing the space. Let's hear it. After you have added the sound, let's go back to the code, to the sound block and add the play sound until done. Change the default to the one which you want to choose. So I have changed it to the space ripple. Let's play it and see now. So if you see out here, I'm playing the animation but the N is not animating because play sound has been put over it. So we need to change where we put the play sound. Otherwise the play sound will keep going on and the other steps which are below it will not get started. So now for the sound effect, I have added another forever loop on clicking of the green flag. Let's play this animation and see how it works now. So all the alphabets are animating and the sound can be heard all the time. Let's view it in the full screen mode. That's your animation for the name. To take on digital world of game and animation, sign up now.